Hi there! In this Make Money with OnlyFans video course PLR review, I'm going to show you an amazing tool that can help you tap into the OnlyFans market and start making money with minimal effort, all using a done-for-you PLR course. Stick around because I'll also walk you through all the upgrades, OTOs, so you'll know exactly what you're getting before making a decision. If you're new to my channel, welcome. I'm Kamal, an experienced six-figure affiliate marketer with over 5 years in the industry. I make these reviews to help you find the best tools and strategies to boost your online income. If that sounds good, make sure to hit the like button, subscribe, and tap the bell notification so you never miss an update. Oh, and before we dive in, I've got some exclusive bonuses for you if you decide to grab the Make Money with OnlyFans video course PLR through my link below. Check the description for details. You don't want to miss them. So, what is Make Money with OnlyFans video course PLR? Alright, so what exactly is the Make Money with OnlyFans video course PLR? It's a private label rights course that's designed to help you sell a proven system on how to make money using OnlyFans. The course includes 15 high-quality modules that guide your customers step by step on how to build a successful OnlyFans business. Plus, the best part? You can rebrand this entire course and start selling it as your own, keeping 100% of the profits. Product features and benefits. Now, what's cool about this PLR product? You don't need to worry about creating content or being an expert. You're getting everything ready to go. Here's a breakdown of the features that stand out. Training videos. 5 high-quality videos that walk your customers through the process of making money with OnlyFans. Professional sales copy, pre-written sales copy, emails, and even a customer sales video. This product does most of the heavy lifting for you. Graphics and email swipes. Social media graphics, banners, and email swipes are all included to help you market your course effectively. Done-for-you content. No need to create anything from scratch. It's all ready to go. How it works. So, how does this work? It's simple. Purchase the course and get instant access to all the materials. Rebrand the course with your own branding, website, and marketing materials. Start selling the course, keep all the profits, and watch your business grow. There's no need for technical skills, just follow the included training and you're ready to go. Now let's take a quick look at a video that explains all of this a little bit more in detail.
Attention, business owners and marketers. Are you ready to take the next big step in your entrepreneurial journey? Imagine having a ready-to-sell, high-demand product in one of the hottest niches today. Introducing the Make Money with OnlyFans video course PLR, your ultimate ticket to dominating the creator economy and keeping 100% of the profits. This isn't just a course, it's a complete, done-for-you business package, designed to help you succeed with ease and speed. Here's what you'll get with this premium PLR package. 5 high-quality training videos covering OnlyFans success strategies. A comprehensive training guide, written by experts to help anyone maximize their earnings. Professional graphics, email swipes, sales copy, and even animated banners to fuel your marketing campaigns. With these ready-made resources, you'll save thousands of dollars and countless hours of work. The OnlyFans platform has seen an explosive rise in popularity, with searches up by over 3,700% in the US alone. In May 2022, over 272,000 accounts were created, generating billions in revenue for creators. This means you are stepping into a booming market with an evergreen, high-demand product. Why Make Money with OnlyFans video course PLR is your perfect product. High demand, evergreen market. 100% ready for instant profit. Full PLR rights, rebrand, and retain 100% of profits. Here's what you'll receive with Make Money with OnlyFans video course PLR. 5 high-quality training videos. Professionally written training guide. 5 audio files. 5 raw video files. 5 expert presentation slides, PPT. High converting sales copy. Customer sales video. Professional graphics. Animated banners. Professionally written email swipes. Professional mini sites. legal pages, social media graphics, PDF graphics, chapter images. And that's not all, you'll also receive a cheat sheet, a mind map, a top resource report. This is your chance to elevate your business, maximize your profits, and tap into one of the hottest niches in the market. Don't wait, this exclusive offer won't last long. Your success story starts here.
Now, let's talk about the upgrades. Here's what you'll get after purchasing the main product. Pro Upgrade. Unlock additional features and remove limits on the number of people you can sell to. Done for You package. This one's a time saver. They'll set everything up for you. Video creation training. Learn how to create engaging videos to promote the course with AI tools. Graphics and e-covers. Add-on. Design professional covers and graphics effortlessly. Chrome plugin builder. Create and sell Chrome extensions. Add another income stream. Reseller rights. Get 100% commissions by reselling the product. Pick the upgrades that make the most sense for your business and skip the rest. What I like about the product. So, here's what I really like about the Make Money with OnlyFans video course PLR. It's beginner-friendly. You don't need tech skills to sell this product. The done-for-you materials save you so much time. You can create multiple revenue streams by selling the course or using it as a lead magnet for your affiliate offers. What could be improved? Of course, no product is perfect. What could be improved? Well, if you're looking for a super advanced course on building OnlyFans businesses, this might not be for you. But if you want a quick, affordable way to enter the market and start selling, this is perfect. If you're looking for an affordable way to break into the OnlyFans business or just want to sell a high-converting, done-for-you product, the Make Money with OnlyFans video course PLR is definitely worth checking out. You can grab it using my link below, and don't forget about the exclusive bonuses I've put together for you. They're waiting for you inside Warrior Plus. Thanks for watching my Make Money with OnlyFans video course PLR review. If you found this helpful, please give it a like, and don't forget to subscribe for more honest reviews and tips. See you in the next video.